Hello and welcome. On this video, I am going to talk about clearing space for your manifestation. In fact, I am doing a series of videos about keeping your vibration high, and this is part 3, where I focus about clearing space for your manifestations. So I consider this a really important part to clear space, to let go maybe of old ties that we might have, old obligations, to clear space in our physical environment, in our time, in our energetic selves, emotions, and spiritual space to manifest things into our life, because manifestation requires a lot of life force energy and requires space and relaxation. And this video is going to focus on this phase of the manifestation process, which is clearing space for it before it happens. So the first thing that I want to mention to clear space is being emotionally current. We sometimes bring a lot of things from our past, a lot of past emotions, hurts, to our present. We don't realize how much of our past we bring to our present, but this prevents our manifestation process a lot of times. If something comes up and I'm still thinking about it time after it has happened at the present, it's going to affect my manifestation. This means that we have to be emotionally intelligent and emotionally current. Being emotionally current simply means that to deal with things when they come up. For example, if one thing comes up at the moment and makes me sad, let's say, or gives me one emotion, I allow that sadness to happen, those emotions to express, but it flows. And in the next moment, it's not anymore, it's finished there. So this means being emotionally current, to dealing with things as they come up. And this is really important for our manifestation. Affirmations, of course, are important too. Saying affirmations, especially affirmations like I am worthy of receiving the thing that we want to receive. So this space is really important, and also how fast you can bounce back when something negative, for example, happens, or when you feel a certain lower vibration during your day. If you have started doing your inner work and it is giving results, you will notice that you will be able to bounce back after a negative situation or a negative emotion a lot faster than before. So to do this and process our emotions, we need to move through the emotion and look into our bodies. For example, some people feel that emotional trigger on their belly, some others on their shoulders, on their throat, etc. So find that place in your body when you are feeling that emotion. It can feel like a movement, a burning sensation that you may feel in your body. And pause for a moment and just notice that emotions. Say to it, I see you trigger, and watch it dissolve within your body. this is how we keep emotions stuck into our bodies for years, but it often might take just some simple meditations, some uh, especially at the moment that you are feeling the trigger, that maybe emotional sadness or anger in your body, that negative emotion, to process it that way. Just pause for a moment and just notice it and make it move through the emotion and watch it dissolve in your body. This might be might be a really good time when you are in the middle of a fight, when you are really feeling that emotion strong, because as I also mentioned on the previous videos of this series, um, we are addicted to emotions, and when we feel a certain emotion for a long time, it just, the frequency of that emotion becomes automatic in our life. So a really important metric, I can say, how can I call it, is how fast you can bounce back after a really low vibration period